Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Manisha, and in today's video we are going to solve chapter 12 quiz. This one is from the ACCA study of for financial accounting paper. Okay, so previously we have solved up to chapter 11, so let's go to chapter 12, and this one is from your IAS 10. That's your event after reporting period. We will look the each of this question one by one, figure out why this is right and why this is wrong. Okay, so watch this video till end. I hope you this video will be useful. So our first question is, the statement below have been made relating to the IAS 10 event after reporting period. So first statement is saying only event after the end of the reporting period that our materials are covered by IAS 10 event after reporting period. So basically this statement is true. Why? Because according to IAS 10, this standard will apply to the material event that has been occurred between your end of the reporting period and the date when financial statements are authorized for issue. In material event are not considered under this standard, so that's why option statement one first one is correct. Okay, so now if I got to know my first statement is correct, in that case my option B and D is out. Okay, answer could be either A or C. Now second, event occurring after the date require a fundamental change in the accounting basis if they are so significant that they result in the organization not being able to continue as a going concern. So again this is true because this refer to our non-adjusting event that indicate that entities or the company whose account we have prepared is no longer going to be a going concern. In that case IAS 10 requires as per IAS 10 we need to make changes in the basis of accounting from going concern to the breakup basis or any similar approach. So entity must not prepare its financial statement on going concern basis even if such event occur before the financial statement are issued to authorize. Okay, so again this statement is correct, so both 1 and 2 is correct. The next one is your which one of the following description define the time period during which an event occurring after reporting period might arises. See, I told in first question as well, those events that occur between your reporting period and the date on which financial statement are authorized for issue is like this is the time period which is covered by the standard IAS 10. So let's read out the option, then we will come to the right answer. So event that occur between the reporting date and the date of annual general meeting. So I think it's very late. Why it's too late? So because AGM annual general meeting usually happens when financial statement has been approved. They have issued to shareholder as well. So it's very late. So it is not the time period during which event occurring after the reporting period might arise. So A is not correct. Now next we have B, and this is what I have said right now. The event that occur between the reporting date and the date on which financial statement are authorized for issue. So from the end of the accounting period to the date of the financial statement are authorized for issue, that means approved by the BOD. This is the period during which those events, like whether it could be adjusting, non-adjusting, arises, right? So B is the correct one. And now C. Event that occur during the 3 month following the reporting date. See, standard does not specify the time period, so that's why it's incorrect. And the last event that occur during 6 month following the reporting date, again it is specifying the time period. It's not correct. Next question is our: which of the following material event occurring after the end of reporting period are adjusting event? Alright. The first one is sale of inventory for less than the cost. So yes, this event provide you evidence that inventory was overvalue at the end of the accounting period. So if inventory is if we have sold out inventory below the cost after reporting period, in that case we need to make adjustment at NRV. Okay, so that's why it's adjusting event. Okay, then next we have payment received from the customer whose debt has been written off. So this confirm that it provides evidence that condition exists at the reporting date. That's the debt amount that to be collectible. So now it has been received, collected from the customer. Again, this is the our adjusting event. The next we have a sale of subsidiary company. So this is the new event because there is no any evidence at the end of reporting period. So this is a new event after accounting period, or we can say reporting period, but there was no any evidence at the year end. So we need to disclose, but if material one, but no adjustment is required. So 3 is going to be correct. So as we got to know 1 and 2 is incorrect, in that case A, B and D is already out. We have already figured out our right answer. So C is our right answer. But let's see the fourth one. A flood in the warehouse destroying the inventory. See, there was no any evidence at the year end that the flood will arise, flood will come, right? So this event caused by the condition which was beyond our control, but after reporting date. So that's why we may need a disclosure, but again, no adjustment is required. We only need disclosure if it is material, but not adjustment is required at the year end. The next question is: on 15 March 2007, FOMI authorized for issue its financial statement for the year end 31st December 2006. On 10 March 2007, the entity factory and several items of equipment were damaged in the earthquake. So year end was 31st December, but on 10 March this incident happened. The damage is estimated to cost 700,000, of which 450,000 is expected to cover under insurance policy. How should this material event be included in the FOMI financial statement for the year ended 31st December 2006? Sorry. So they said provision of this much contingent liability in a no disclosure of event. Okay. So basically the earthquake this incident has happened on 10 March 2007, which is after our accounting period reporting date, right? But before the financial statement were authorized for the issue. Okay, that was 15 March 2007. So according to IAS 10, we must figure out whether this one is our adjusting event or not. Okay, so as this earthquake was like beyond our control, and there was no any evidence at the year in that there's no any evidence of condition existing at the reporting date regarding this earthquake. So that's why it's non-adjusting event. But yes, amount is material 700,000, right? So we this should be disclosed in the notes, the nature of the event and the estimate of the financial effect. Okay. That's a D. Now last question. Which of the following event between the reporting date and the date of financial statement authorized for issue must be adjusted in the financial statement? The first one is declaration of ordinary dividend. See, this is after your reporting date, and dividend declared after reporting date are not liability at year end, so they should be disclosed in notes if it is material. Okay, but it is not the adjusting one. The next we have decline in the market value of the investment. So again, there is no any evidence about this situation at our reporting date. So fall in the market value is a new situation, new condition. So that's why it's again non-adjusting one. Then we have third C, discovery of fraud revealing that inventory has been stolen. So the this provide evidence of the condition that exist at the year end. So inventory was already missing or it's misstated. So therefore financial statement must be adjusted. So this one is your adjusting event. Now the last one is announcement of major restructuring. Again, this is a non-adjusting event. Why? Because this decision happened after year end. This decision has happened after year end, and again it is not obligation at the reporting date, so it should be disclosed if it is material, but no adjustment is required. Oh, we have done one mistake. That's a 3. Oh, it's my mistake. I have chosen the non-adjusting event. Though we have figured out right option, that's 1 and 2 is adjusting, and the rest 2 are non-adjusting. We have choose the incorrect one. So be careful while choosing option as well. So this mistake can happen to you as well. So we are done with the chapter 12 quiz. So we will go to chapter 13 in the coming up videos. So stay tuned with my channel.